हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीरो चार्ज। मेरा नाम है अंकित एंड आज मैं आपके लिए एक एडवांस लेवल ऑफ गारमेंट स्टीमर लेके आया हूँ। कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने आप लोगों के साथ अगारो के गारमेंट स्टीमर का वीडियो जो है वो शेयर किया था। लिंक्स मैंने आपके साथ डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर कर दिए हैं, आप वहां से चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। So today we have an advanced version of Agaro garment steamer. So the difference from the previous model is that ये एक standing garment steamer है। By standing garment steamer it means that आप vertically and horizontally दोनों तरीके से जो है वो क्लोथ्स को आयरन कर सकते हैं। So let's quickly unbox this product and उसके बाद हम इसे assemble करेंगे and finally we will test it. वीडियो को प्लीज एंड तक देखिएगा एंड अगर मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो वो भी कर लीजिएगा। So inside the box we get an ironing board, one hanger along with nozzle hook, one garment steamer along with hose, two extension rods or standing rods, a small rod for hanging your clothes, साथ में आपको दो क्लिप्स मिल जाती हैं, a brush accessory for the garment steamer, one user manual, warranty card. So finally the main unit जिसके अंदर water जो है वो store होता है and steam जो है वो create होती है। So before we start with the installation, let's check out some features. So this is the storage tank. It can store up to 1.8 liters of water and this is very easy to remove and install. At the front you get an on-off button. At the back you get a small knob which is used for descaling. So once in a month we need to clean this. We simply open it, shake it a little and the dirty water will come out and then we will close it. At the bottom you get wheels for easy movement. So let's quickly assemble Agaro standing garment steamer and उसके बाद हम इसे टेस्ट करेंगे. So first I will install these two rods and simply press it. So ये लॉक हो गया. Similarly I will do it for the other rod and press it. And this is locked as well. Now I will install the hanger support. Simply I will press it and this is installed as well. So this is the rod for hanging your pants. Let me install that. Two clips. So you can increase and decrease the size of the stand with the help of these clips. So now I'm going to open this clip so that I can adjust the height of the rod. So based on your requirement आप इसकी height जो है वो adjust कर सकते हैं. Once you are happy with the height of the rod, you can just lock the clips. And this is ready to use now. Now I will install the ironing board. At the back of the board, you can see that there are two black clips. So you have to connect these black clips in these holes and this will be locked. So you can see that the ironing board is also installed. Now I will connect the hose into the main unit. So garment steamer hose is connected now and you can simply store this garment steamer into this hook. And this is done. Now let's fill water in this tank. To fill water in this tank, I will open this knob, fill water and I will tightly close it. Now I have filled water in this tank. So you need to make sure that the knob is properly closed. So this is closed now. Let me install it back. Now let's connect this to the power and उसके बाद हम clothes को iron करेंगे. So I have connected this garment steamer. Let me turn it on. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक light आ रही है. So that means it is working. So it will take approximately 30 seconds to get the steam ready. Alright, so सबसे पहले हम pants को iron कर लेंगे. So we will hang these pants into these clips. So let's do that. So pants are clipped now. Let me turn on the garment steamer. You can see that steam is coming out now. And there is no strain on my back. There is a tup tup sound that you heard before. So that is basically water that gets condensed into this pipe. Simply आप इसे straight कर लीजिए and वो water जो है वो नीचे चला जाएगा and again the noise will be gone. Now let's repeat the same on the other side. Similarly you can do it for other cloths as well. So this is the front side and you can see that the end results are fantastic. Similarly on the back side results are very good. Let me keep this aside and I will show you another way to iron your clothes. So now I will remove this iron board and decrease the height of the stand. So now I will remove this top hanger. So now I will install this hanger on this ironing board. And ये इसके अंदर fit हो गया. And now I will install this back and gently press it. So now I can use this top surface to iron the clothes as well. Let me do that. You can see that again I don't have to bend myself and now I can do the ironing as well. So with gentle pressure I can iron the cloths. You don't have to worry about if the steam goes too hot because there is an auto cut function. Honestly this is fun as I don't have to apply any pressure at all and there are zero strains on my back. There is a brush that is provided with this garment steamer, so you can simply install it. So you can simply brush on that particular cloth and the dust particles है वो remove हो जाएंगे. Alright, so this is completed. At the bottom there is a knob which is used for descaling. Once in a month you need to open it and remove all the excess water. You simply have to shake the main unit so that the dirt can come out. So now I will open it and you can see that the excess water is coming out. Now I will close it. I hope आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो एंड अगारो का ये स्टैंडिंग गारमेंट स्टीमर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। इन केस आपकी कुछ क्वेरीज है, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जो है मेंशन कर सकते हैं। आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस। विद दैट नोट, वंस अगेन थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल। जय हिंद।